Mm-hmm. Which one is that?
Whitish color.
Yep, that's a gray collar.
Yeah. I need short. This one was stuck.
Did you put him in the pool? You can put him in the pool and let him play.
Hi, Gremlin. What are you going to do now? Oh, you're in bed. I'm gonna start putting them in the pool. So that all their feet are wet. Hi, Saga.
That's Saga.
Some of them are just sleeping and others are eating the grass.
Yes.
One laid down and the other got covered in grass. Brianne, you want to go get the rest of them? Okay.
Are those your babies? Yes, I got you.
Oh, you're all wet and you want to be on me. Hi.
That little black one can't get his rear end in.
I don't want you on me. You're soaking wet. Oh, well. Do you want in or out? In, out?
I think he's trying to get in.
Better? Charlie. Charlie. Puppy. You're kind of one of the blocky ones. Rar. Okay? Are you unhappy? Can I borrow your hose real quick? What'd you do?
Yeah, you can actually take the hose out of the pool.
Yeah, they got enough water.
Yeah. Go fill up Canute's pool.
It is. You stepping ants? What? You stepping some ants? No. What'd you do? I spit on my skin. Oh. Get after it. You have a pile of wet puppies. Yes. Hi. What if I put you in?
Huh?
My shoes now stinky. And they're red. Hey, puppy.
Hi, little puppy.
Is that all of them? Do you want to?
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to play in your pool again? You could count them if you wanted to. What are you doing? Well, it's kind of hard to count them when they constantly run around and sit on each other. Do you want to go swimming? Hey!
Hey, where are you going? Come back, puppy.
It's going to...
That one is leaving.
I'm going back! Bye! Hey! Puppies! Come on, puppies! Hey, it sort of came to me. Sorta. It came like halfway. Hey, puppy. You have water on you. Yeah, all have water on you. It's okay. Is that your runt? You're good.
Yep, you're in my picture, Frankie.
So you're taking pictures of them?
Yeah, I'm filming them all. You can get in.
Hey.
Was that the little girl?
I believe so.
No, it's a male.
Do you want to go into
That would
the
not
water?
be the little girl. That's the little boy.
Come on, puppy. Puppy.
Mom's the girl.
Is that one asleep? Nope. That one's not asleep.
Puppy, there's an ant pile right next to you.
Well, fish him away from it.
Puppy.
I'm going to be sitting next to you, Cole, so I don't
Puppy.
really need to shoot correctly.
You just stepped in it.
No ant mounds for you.
Ant mounds aren't fun. I guarantee you. Hey, puppy. Which one are you? Are you the little one? You bounce on me? Yum, yum, yum. Oh, no pointy feet.
Pet the one in the pool. It's not certain it's sure of it yet.
His puppy's falling, Saga. Where you step and walk. What?
Did you slip? Yeah, water. Everywhere.
Hi,
There's a little puppy.
Oh, yeah. Now water's everywhere because all your puppies are jumping in and walking out.
Hi.
And they're eating.
How many puppies did you take pictures of so far?
One.
The dark yellow and dark blue color.
Hi, puppy.
My hand yummy?
Which one?
How many are 3, 4?
Huh?
Trying to figure out how many are in my lap. 3 or 4.
There are 4 if you count your little runt in your lap.
Hi. Are you
Yep.
a pear? You look like a pear because you're kind of fat.
You are.
Hi, pear.
Why are you just sitting here, puppy?
I'm sure.
You want in?
Chewy.
Do we have all your puppies?
Where'd the floaty? Will this float?
Yeah.
Wait, you want to get it?
That's the cuddly one in the pool, Morgan. It's not going to do much. You could put Gremlin in the pool and we could see what happens. Or the one who's eating Mom's legs.
That's one of the hyper ones.
Good puppy.
Chewy. That's why they're all wet.
What?
Splashing them.
No.
How long will it be until they're old enough to run around outside unsupervised?
Not for a while. We still gotta be out here with them.
Another week or 2.
Little girl.
They're all 5 weeks this week. Idunna's litter's 5 weeks, and Saga's are 3 days shy of.
Hey,
Munchy, 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 munchy.
stay here.
It's okay, puppy.
Look, it has a solar panel.
It's not quite a solar panel.
I got clothes that I like. Yeah, it'll get wet.
Are you lost?
Because
Did your siblings get away?
I go under.
Did your siblings get away?
Because you're heavy.
You have these 2 fat ones.
They kind of just lumber around at this point, Upper.
What is lumber?
They walk around.
Lumber means wood.
Which ones are in your lap?
Gray, purple, and Charlie, and
Teeny one.
small one.
Puppy,
No.
you want to go in?
Hi.
What? What's so scary, puppy?
It's
my turn.
I know I have a name, but I don't know what it is. Hi.
You, Daisy. Is that what the red color Daisy?
It says her Daisy or Lola. I think that's Lola.
Hey, little puppy. Yum, yum. Are you one of your nose eaters? Or are you a nose eater? Puppy. Look, it's a nice
So we
little...
just kind of sit around while
Hey,
the puppy
look.
mound engulfs us?
Look, look, look. Look. Puppy. Puppy. I'm trying to get one to play with it. You cuddly one just sitting here like a statue.
Chewy, play nice.
Chewy doesn't
You're a little bit bigger.
Ow. Water.
No.
Hey, do you want this? Hey. It is. You want it?
Are they trying to get you, Saga?
Yeah.
Zombie.
See, they only run when they have motivation. And even that's more of a face plant occasionally run.
I'm gonna get soaked by puppies.
Another puppy.
I think you're backwards, puppy. These two are both praising me, and then this one's confused.
Where's your run?
Watch, you're confused.
It's in my lap.
Where?
It's on the bottom of the pile.
Yes, fail.
It's all that
Run
they
to
still
the
huddle up
top.
together even when it's really hot out.
Which
Yes.
it is hot out right now.
Saga.
Hey, puppy. Are you a cuddly one?
They're still waterproof.
What?
What?
That one's waterproof.
How is it waterproof?
Puppies!
Getting the waterproof coat.
Yeah, it takes them a while to get wet.
Are you sick of being at the bottom?
I can't tell if I'm getting you in the shot or not because you're in the shade. Puppy, puppy.
I'm drenched.
Puppy, 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 puppy.
Do you want yes?
I see you. Are you sneaking up?
Do you want out? Yes, one wants out. Hi, little cuddly one. Or not little.
Did everybody go in the water?
Yeah.
At least once, because most of them were put in the water and the others got splashed.
And climbed into the water and climbed out.
Fail.
Running fail.
You want to let Canute out with them?
Yeah. You want to let Canute out?
Okay.
Don't let Runa and Idunna out. Just Canute. My toe, Charlie.
My foot is wet.
My toe.
A little foot puppy.
Hi, puppy.
And you have to jump the big water, don't you, puppy?
Yep.
He's going to run over there.
Me?
Hey, Canute.
I'm sitting in your water. Oh, you drenched. Want your frisbee?
I think his brain
Hey,
is
puppy.
on one thing.
What, Canute?
Food. Yeah.
Where,
Canute.
where is he, Canute?
Come here, puppy.
I don't know.
Canute is right there.
Hey, Chewy. Chewy. Chewy.
Chewie's supposed to be snuggling, so make sure you're snuggling.
Chewy. Chewy, you could be cuddly in your water.
Hi, puppy. No, you can't climb on me.
Good thing I didn't fall the other way or I'd have gotten
Oh,
soaked.
you dry out really quickly.
Which one?
This yellow one.
Chewy.
Canute.
Chewy.
Come here.
What?
I think he's just in the bathroom.
My
Saga.
shorts are soaking wet now.
That's my girl.
Hey, Saga. Are you eating my fingers?
Puppy, where?
No eating fingers.
Why do those yellows like to get disgusting?
Because they're the lightest colored, so it shows.
No. Mom's had enough for today.
And you're mobbing. There's
Oh,
a-
Morgan, look, you are in a pile of puppies. Like puppies.
Yes,
and I keep falling into your pool again.
Where'd Canute go? Out back?
Yeah.
Hey.
He's probably out looking at the fence, making sure there's no coyotes.
Or,
And
he is
back.
evidently go for some butterfly.
Oh, good.
And you want to go under?
Tiny little kiddie pools. They're for puppies.
Ow.
When you
I don't know
need
why
to.
they're called kiddie pools. Why don't they call them puppy pools? Most kittens won't use a pool.
You don't run.
Because most what won't use a pool?
Your runs is
They're called
soaking
kiddie
wet.
pools, not kitten pools.
Yes, but
Oh.
kitty, kitten.
K-I-D-D-Y pools.
Oh.
Yeah, really.
Kitty.
It's okay.
Those cuddle me.
Does that little one want in?
I'm not sure he knows what he wants.
I'm I'm going to be sitting in your pool in a few minutes. Your pool is fun!
Well, get his nose out.
Silly puppy? Why must you cuddle me after you get disgusting?
No,
You don't
that's not
puppy.
what you wanted.
I'll put you in the pool.
Hey, get a fat one!
Yeah. Go ahead and put the brown ones are looking in.
What?
Fat one! You're a fat
I'm
one.
being attacked by cuddle puppies.
I have a fat one on.
Cuddle, cuddle, cuddle. No, I don't want snuggled. You're wet. What if I did this?
Canute!
I think he's too busy exploring.
Well, the yard didn't change, and you know, in the 5 minutes he was up.
He was out for 5 minutes?
He wasn't up very long.
Do you want to go
It was more than 5 minutes.
Not really.
5 minutes.
Head up, I'm getting some of your water out of your pool. And on your puppy. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Should I put Saga in and Idunna out?
You can.
Alright, off.
Maybe have to shove them off or pull them in the pool.
Well, they want to sleep, not pool. He was just in, didn't want it.
You can come in.
Oh great, now I get to play get mom.
Now you're to sleep.
Mira?
Saga!
It seems to be more ow! It seems to be more playful when you're soaking wet. Chewy!
Yeah, I think everybody except maybe you is going to need a shower after this. And I think Frankie just might need dried off. And hi, Gremlin, you're disgusting.
Where's Gremlin?
Right there.
Ooh, where's a fat one that hasn't been in yet? You have puppy poop on your pants.
I know that.
Why are you crying? I can't.
I don't really know if it knows.
Why are you crying?
It's looking for mom.
Yeah.
Kind of funny.
Do we
watching
have only blacks and browns?
Yeah, there's only 3 blacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 browns.
And 4 yellows.
4 yellows. They're all still. Idunna, relax. Are your puppies out? You don't like your puppies out, do you? They're okay.
I think she just wants to check on everybody.
Yeah. Well, she gets excited when the puppies are outside. I know. Did you hear Mom? I'm not Mom.
This puppy is big.
Come here.
I think she's worried that something will get her puppies.
We don't have, harpy eagles here, Idunna.
Puppy eagles are cute.
As big as you.
Puppy mound.
Can I take one of those puppies?
No,
Why?
they're sleeping. Oh, you can take this one. Which one is that? Pretty little one.
Yeah, you have the other one.
I'll just let him sit in because I think he needs to cool down. Fluff up his buds.
Spiky puppy. Hey, Charlie. Charlie.
You're so little, puppy.
Hey,
Really little.
what's your green color, puppy? Green color, brown puppy. Green. Green.
I think you have to pick it
Are
up.
you not going to lay down for them, puppy?
No. Why is she crying?
She's unhappy about that out.
Yeah.
She's excited.
Please.
Canute's excited that he's out.
I'm soaking wet. Which puppy's fun to play with in the water?
Canute.
Yeah.
Canute! Canute!
You
Canute!
just splashed me. Thank you.
Ready?
Yeah, I got splashed. Don't splash me.
Idunna, come here.
Don't catch him. Your hand's wet.
Idunna.
like being cuddle attacked?
Come here, Idunna. Morgan will protect you from the puppy. They're all okay.
They're all over there.
After she's happy that they're over there. Stop splashing.
Frankie, move so I can get her playing.
Playing or avoiding them?
Both.
Some of both.
Hi.
I have one on my lap now.
Well, the puppies want food and she doesn't want to feed them.
No.
The water has
She's
turned
weaning him. It's time for him to.
Huh?
She's weaning him. It's time for him to eat more dog food.
Yeah.
Do you want out? And push.
I'm sorry, my lap is full. You can't sit on it.
Idunna. You're on like a short puppy.
Go adventuring. Why do the puppies always get in clusters?
I don't know.
Their safety in numbers.
Like when it's hot out, they get into a huge pile. Got a place eating the puppy pile. You should take a picture. The puppy pile.
What?
They're soaking wet.
So, you want a hug?
Frankie, quick, run around the yard.
These guys
Why?
remind me.
I don't know.
Canute.
Or you could.
I think he's out back by the orchard.
Up the rest of the way.
He's sitting over there being camera shy.
I don't like cameras.
What are you doing with the hose?
It's filled up.
Too bad.
Yeah, they don't need any more water.
You don't need any more water either.
Yeah.
Brianne, can you reach behind you and pet Chewy?
Are you freaking out, Idunna, that those puppies are too far away from a human?
Canute, eat.
They're barking at the door, and his logic is the door.
Why does barking at the door means it opens? All the time you change it up. Does barking at the door make it open?